In 1911, a handyman pulled off the most shocking art theft in history by simply walking out the front door. The Louvre was supposed to be impenetrable, guards everywhere, priceless art behind glass. The Mona Lisa, the crown jewel of their collection. Vincenzo Peruggia had the perfect cover. He worked there. On a quiet Monday morning, he hid in a supply closet overnight. When the museum opened, he calmly walked to the Mona Lisa, lifted it off the wall, and tucked it under his white work coat. He strolled past dozens of guards, right out the front entrance. For 24 hours, nobody even noticed it was missing. The investigation was massive. They questioned Pablo Picasso as a suspect, searched across Europe. Meanwhile, Peruggia kept the world's most famous painting in his tiny Paris apartment for over 2 years. His downfall? Greed. He tried selling it to an Italian art dealer who immediately called police. The theft made the Mona Lisa a global sensation. More famous stolen than it ever was, hanging safely in the Louvre. Sometimes the simplest plans work best.